And now, from Casa de Frutas in Tulemar, it's your favorite bartender from the Tule Cafe and the Tulemar Beach, Daniela!
Hi guys, I'm Daniela. Today I will show you how to make easy drinks with cacique, guaro. One of my favorite drinks with guaro is the passion fruit guajito. We will need for this passion fruit guajito, we need lots of mint, guys. Lots of mint. The point with this drink is the mint flavor in it. So add lots of mint in it. You need some sugar, some syrup sugar. I will add just a little bit because people doesn't like too sweet. So you can add the sugar wherever you like better, okay? And then we will mash. We need to match the mint with the sugar in it. Then we will add some passion fruit, guys. You can add a few spoons. The flavor depends on how much you like passion fruit or how much you want mint in it. It's not a big deal. You can add whatever you want, whatever you like better. I like passion fruit. In this case, we have real passion fruit, so it will be much better, guys. We need some lime. We need some guaro. This is the star of the drinks. I like a little bit extra always, right? Why not? And then we will add some ice. Costa Rica, our guaro sour. Okay guys, if you come to Costa Rica, for sure you will hear about this drink. This is our popular Costa Rican drink. This is our guaro sour. We need some lime. We need a little bit more lime because this is a sour drink. We need some sugar. I will add just a little bit. People like sour. Then guaro again. Here we go. Really add some guaro. You will love this drink. Always lots of ice, guys. Always lots of ice. Easy, right? Then I love to make the drink in this way. If you want, you can mash your lime at the container, at the mixer, I'm sorry. Or I like this. Just a little bit of sugar, just a little bit. And we will mash the lime. Drink in Tulemar, it's our guaro ginger lemonade. We'll need some ginger, some pieces of ginger like this, and we will add some sugar syrup in it. Some sugar syrup, and then we will smash. You have to smash hard because the pieces, in my case, I like lots of ginger. Here we go, it's almost ready. We're almost done, just a little bit more. Then we add some lime juice in our popular guaro. Always a little bit extra. Now it's time to get some ice.
Now that you know how to prepare your favorite drinks from Tulemar, grab one and join us on Tulemar.com live feed. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Enjoy our amazing ocean views live. See you at sunset.